Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I've got a pretty cool money making application to share with you guys, and this is actually pretty similar to a different app I showed you guys before called Pocket Flip, because in this app you can do different things like download and test applications, and when you do that they will credit you after you have it installed for a certain period of time, and you can redeem for a lot of rewards, which I'm about to show you in this video. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you guys is the app itself, and you can see right here on my home screen, it is called Moocash. So let us open it, and when it opens up, you're going to be brought to this offers page, and these are like the apps that you can download and install and test them out. And you can see on the bottom, they give you, I think they're called Moo coins, I don't know, but it's the currency, and you can redeem them for rewards, like I was saying. So if you go right here to redeem, then you can see the different types of rewards that they have, and I want to go through these first. So first of all, you can see here, they have like PayPal, so if you tap on that, and it says here, so for example, $5 USD is 5,000 Moo coins, and it just keeps on going down. The rate is 1,000 coins for $1 in PayPal. So it's a pretty standard rate. You can find this in many other apps, and I'd say that this is better than that previous app I showed you because they do have a PayPal option, whereas the other one only had Amazon and like other gift cards. So beyond that, you can see here that they have also prepaid top up, like if you use prepaid phones and like have prepaid cell coverage, then you can also do that from here. They have a lot of options. Oh, they even have Bitcoin. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about Bitcoin in the past, and not many apps actually offer Bitcoin as a reward option, but this one does. So if you are into Bitcoin and you have like, I don't even know what you do with Bitcoin. I don't have Bitcoin myself. But if you're a collector of Bitcoin, then you can get it through this app. So it says there that the Bitcoins will be sent directly to your Bitcoin wallet, and there will be a small processing fee charged for every transaction. So you can see here like $10 worth of Bitcoins is 10,400 coins. So it's a little bit more than 1 to 1,000 that you see for PayPal. But I guess Bitcoin has a bigger potential for earnings because like the rate just keeps on going up and down every single day. So you can actually make more than $10 or less depending on how well Bitcoin is doing in the market. Alright, so besides that, they have like Skrill, Payoneer. I'm not too sure what these are, but if you do use them, then there are options for you. I don't know what this is, followers and likes. Okay, so I guess they sell Facebook and subscribers. I don't know. I don't recommend that. Just get them organically, and it'll turn out a lot better in the long run instead of buying like fake likes or whatever. Okay, so besides that, they have this lucky draw where you just put your coins in and you put your name into a drawing, and if you're the lucky person that's selected, then you win whatever the reward is. So for example, here there is an iPhone 8, and it says here how it works. So you find the item you want, you get tickets by purchasing it, and then you get a chance to win the item or purchase it at a discounted price. So that is how that works, just like any other standard drawing. So you can see here that they've sold 415 tickets. There are 10 left. So that means you have a 1 in 425 chance for every ticket that you get, which I guess is not too bad. Like it's good that they limit it instead of just making it unlimited so that it lowers your chances even more. But yeah, that's how that works. What else is here? So you can see there is cash and credit. Oh, these are all the lucky draws that are happening right now. So any of these here are ones that you can enter and you'll be put into a drawing. And if you get lucky, then you win whatever the prize is. So further on, there are power-ups here. So you can see for the Moocash, you can earn cash, talk time, gift cards, blah blah blah, and then you can get these power-ups, which is like the 1 month standard VIP membership, which gives you extra clicks, extra referral bonuses, and a priority cash out for 1 month. And if you do the 50,000 one, you get 1 year of that. So it just gives you a little more bonuses whenever you complete the tasks and the offers. You can also donate if you want to, like the Red Cross, to Save Children, World Food Program. If that's your thing, then yeah, you can do that. There's also gift cards here. So there's like the standard Amazon, there's Uber, there's Steam, iTunes. There's like a lot of different cards here. And as you can see, the choices of rewards you get from this app are really extensive. And yeah, this is a great app for whatever your needs are at the moment. All right, so now let's go into the offers. And this is how you make the Moocash. So for example, this part up here is to install to earn, and you just pick an app. So for example, I'll pick this Gold Star Events, and it's worth 800 coins, and then it's going to bring you to this Safari page where it just brings you to a tracking link that it uses to make sure that you're actually installing the application that it wants you to. So then you open that in Safari, and after you open that, you're going to be brought to this page where you can install the app that they want you to. So you just click on install here, just like any other app that you would install from the App Store, and then it'll start installing. So now we can wait for that to finish, and once it is done, we will open it up and we'll use it for, like, I don't know, I'd say just stay on that page for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then you can go back and do whatever else you want and just leave the app on your phone so that the tracking link can just verify that you have the app installed on your phone. And then after a certain period of time, let's just say like allow everything. For now, you can delete the app later once you get the points. They won't take it away, so just leave the app on your phone until you get credited for installing it. So yeah, just stay on it and just keep on scrolling, do whatever you want to do on the app itself. Make an account, I guess, if it asks you to, just to make sure that you're like interacting with the app itself, and to make sure that the tracking link can credit you for installing it. But as I said, you won't get credited for it instantly. It sometimes takes up to around, I'd say, 24 hours. So you want to keep the app on your phone for that period of time, just until you get the points. And as I keep on repeating, from that point on, you don't need the app on your phone any longer. I think you'll get a notification from Moocash itself when they reward you the points for the app. And once you get that notification, you can delete the apps that you installed, because they won't take away your points after that. So yeah, just stay here. I'm just gonna go back to Moocash itself. Nope, not Pocket Flip. And well, actually, I do want to bring you guys to Pocket Flip because I want to show you the payment proof, which I did not show in my previous video because I hadn't gotten it yet. But you can see here in my profile that Pocket Flip does pay out, and I have gotten a few gift cards from them. And then when you do get the gift card, you just like tap on that, and then you get like a code, and you can just enter the code in your Amazon account, and you get the money from that. So there's Pocket Flip. There's the proof. I know it's a little bit late, but in case you wanted it, there you go. But anyway, let's go back to Moocash. Obviously, we didn't get the points yet. I was at 3,000. I'm still at 3,000 because it hasn't been long enough. But like I said, just wait for like 24 hours, and then you'll get credited for it. So there's other ways you can earn points using Moocash. You can do different things. Like here, Apple reviews. It's like you basically just write reviews for apps, and then they give you points for that. So yeah, it just says like search, install, and then give your feedback to this app. They give you 400 points. So they do like other things too. I don't know how like ethical this is, but I guess they'll pay you for it. I don't know. I just do the installing the apps part. I don't really do this stuff. Like it says to like pages, and then they'll give you points for it. So beyond that, you can get free daily gems. and you can use these gems to play games and earn coins. So there's another app, I think it's called MooJoy, and I will probably make a video on that later in the future, where you can actually play games and earn points through that. But that would make this video too long, so I'm just going to stick with MooCash for now, and you can look out for the MooJoy video in the future, probably. No promises, but just look out for it. So there's other ways too. You can watch videos to earn even more gems for the other app. You can use your Moo code to unlock rewards. And what is that? A Moo code are fun words or phrases that unlock coins, gems, and special rewards, and you just follow them on Facebook or Reddit to get them. And then one other thing are Moo Bucks, which what does that say? I don't know what that is. I think it's a different app, but it says you earn cash when you book or shop online. All right, so now you can also do some different surveys like Trial Pay, Peanut Labs, AdSend, Media, just traditional. Take a survey, qualify for it, finish it, then you get points. So yeah, that's all the different ways that you can earn points through this app. And then, oh, there's actually one more way I forgot. If you go to Invite, you can refer your friends and you earn 10% of what they earn for life. So if you share this code, you're gonna get a code, your own special code, and then you share the link and your friends download the app using your link, then you'll get 10% of all the coins that they earn. So you can actually make a lot of money if you have multiple friends that sign up under you. And you get 10 gems, and like I said, 10% of what they redeem for your lifetime. So if they redeem for 5,000, then you get 500. And you can see the top referrals here. And if you go to community, here you can see all the weekly top doers, the top gamers, top shoppers, basically all the people that have made coins for the week. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mole Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at